Let's play with one of my toys real quick. Somebody dropped this trailer too high. It's too high. See the gap there? Let's just see if we can fill that gap real quick. Let's see something. Let's see here. Boom. Let's see. Well, we almost filled it already. That's my overinflate kit. Got it up high enough. Yeah, we're up against the trailer. I love my toys. Let's see if that worked. I got my high beams on. Let's see. Oh yeah, that did it. Connected now. Bring the landing gear down and let the air out of the bags. Let's see how high it is. See how much gap is in between here. I'm gonna bring that down. See there, now we're back to our normal height. Good morning. You know, I'm out doing the Mother Day flower deliveries, and you know, everybody, a lot of people, I shouldn't say that everybody, I shouldn't even get into that. People claim to be hustlers and be hustling or out here doing their best or trying their best with trucking. Sometimes you ain't. So I got flowers on this trailer right here. Going to go do deliveries in it. And I got my other trailer, y'all see me pull, sitting here in the warehouse. It's getting loaded, or it's loaded already. So I'm gonna drop this bad boy at my other yard, come back up here, grab this trailer, and get to getting it. I love money. And I love to hustle. One day I'll get to love sleep. Alright, so there's other parts about trucking people don't know. It's the best part. Well, a good part about hauling LTL is if you call LTL stuff, when you load your trailer, try not to take the seal. Try to put a lock on it because you got multiple drops and multiple stops. Reason being is sometimes you're hauling something that moves around. God dang it. I popped in here real quick to check on my load. Seeing the load bar fell down. So I went and grabbed my strap. I'll put my strap in here, strap this down. That way we can keep doing what we do. Little Volvo right there. I came around this corner for something else, but oh boy, that Volvo pressed out. Making some of us large cars look bad, but leaving the truck stop and I seen this thing sitting over here. I said, let me go get a closer look at this thing real quick. Lights across the back. It's a nice looking ride. Spread skateboard on it. Okay. Lights on the bottom. It's nice. Lights on that box on the back too. That's a PA, stand up. So a little minute ago, I was driving on the highway and I see my fender bouncing on the freeway. Hell. So I pull over, get to looking at it. I don't know how the hell this happened, but I just had my fenders installed not too long ago, and both the bolts that go into there, that bolt them in on both sides, that broken. Both broken. Look, this one broke too. Same time. And it's the week before the DOT blitz bullshit. Man, I tell you what, boy. My head is hurting right now. I don't get it. Boy, I tell you. The more you try, the more stuff happens. Oh well, we're gonna get through it. That's all I can do. Delivering live plants, baby. Go.